Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. Today I'm going to teach you how you can do your Hamster Kombat cipher. Okay, this one is very simple and the spelling is Miner. Okay, so what you are going to do right now is to input the code here. Okay, we are going to input the code. So the first thing we are going to do is to click on this. Just type and hold dash dash. Okay, you type and hold dash dash. That's M. So I is dot dot. So the next one is dash dots. Then the next one is dots. Then the last one is dot dash dots. So that's alright. So we are going to collect our daily 5 million. Okay, sorry, daily 1 million. Okay, so this is daily 1 million. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is to follow me up so that you can be getting this every day. Okay, you are going to be getting it from me. So what you are going to be doing is to follow me up, okay, because I'm going to be giving you this back to back so that you can increase your chance making a lot of money with this Hamster Kombat. So see you guys at the top. Make sure that you give me a sweet comment. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to do the one of daily combo. Okay, that's for tomorrow. So see you guys at the top.